Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat request error, unable to log in, problem solved. So let's get started. So here we are in Hamster Kombat. As you can see, when I log in, it's all good for me. So when I tap on play, as you can see, it would load. So if you don't have this, if you're having some kind of error, then the biggest error or the biggest cause that you're getting this error is you might have a faulty internet connection. So you want to make sure that your internet connection is connected to your device. So as you can see right here, I currently have my Wi-Fi, or you could also have your cellular data if you have a data on your mobile SIM. So make sure you're connected, and one of the ways to see if your internet is working is you want to go into fast.com in your browser. As you can see right here, you can see your internet speed right here. So if it's very low, then that would mean that it's not working properly, or that might mean that your internet is just low. That is why you are having the unable to log in problem. And then once you are sure that you have your internet connection set here, it's all good. What you want to do is you would want to uninstall your Telegram app first, and then you want to reinstall it again in your App Store or Play Store. If you are in Android, you can just clear the storage data and so on. You can just do that. But if you are in iOS, I recommend that you delete the app right here. And from here, you want to go back into App Store, and from here, you want to install Telegram right here so that you would be sure that it's not on the application itself, because you might have moved some settings right there in Telegram that is causing you to do that, or maybe your Telegram is just not updated. That is why you are having the error. So yeah, those are basically the ways on how you can log in or fix unable to log in problem here in Hamster Kombat, because commonly it's just a faulty internet connection. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.